Guys, today I'm going to tell you how to install Lucky Patcher app APK. So before we do that, please hit that subscribe button, then share and comment down below. So let's just get started. So what you have to do is go to your Chrome or any browser that you have. Then after you do that, just go and type there Lucky list, no sorry, Lucky Patcher APK. Then after you type that, click on this website which is of Lucky list. So after I press it, this website comes, and what you have to do is scroll down, and then you will find a download APK button. Click on it. After you click on it, this media file thing will come, this website, another one. What you have to do is just press download. Now I will not press download because I've already downloaded it. So let me just show you that same file that I've downloaded it. So here it is, the topmost one here, see. So I'm going to press on it, then let's press install. Let it install. Okay, the LP installer is installed. Now let's press done. Now go to here, which is your LP installer APK. Now press on it, allow anything if it asks. Now it will ask, do you really want to install the Lucky Patcher, and it will ask the version which you have downloaded. So let's just press yes, because that's what we are come here to do. That's why we are here to do. It will install a million of files, not really million, but yeah. Now let's just press install. If it asks you Google Play Protect LP installer, allow installation from the source, press allow. Okay, now we have come here. So now what you have to do is press done. Then after you do that, this message will come, do you want to uninstall this app for all users? So just press OK, then press allow. Now wait, where did my Lucky Patcher upload? Wait, what? I guess my Lucky Patcher app just went away somewhere. Let me just install it again. This happens with me many times, but let's just ignore it. So let's just do that again. Allow, yes. It's just doing the same thing. I'll just move some app here. Install. To just allow, click allow. There you go. Done. Now as you can see this Lucky Patcher app here, I'll just send it to another one here. Wait, why are they going here and there? Okay, so let me just press on it, Lucky Patcher. Now it will ask you this message called LP installer. So do you want to uninstall this app for all users? The application and its data will be removed from all users on the device. Press OK. Now after the uninstall is finished, press again on the Lucky Patcher app. then this another message will come. After that another will come. So if you use support patch for in-app and LVL emulation, then you need to install a proxy server for in-app purchases service. So, and it will break the invisibility of Lucky Patch. So let's just press yes, install, allow. It's installing. Okay, now it will make some test to find errors. So it is correct everything. Now another message will come, warning, Chinese MIUI firmware often limits the work of Lucky Patch in the background. Because of this, in-app purchases, emulation and other functions do not work. Open the Lucky Patcher settings to enable all possible permissions for it. So you have to press yes. Then find the Lucky Patcher app and press on Lucky Patcher and proxy server for in-app purchases. Both you allow them, and after you do that, go back, and then another warning comes. But what you have to do is just ignore this, press no, and there you go, guys. The mighty Lucky Patcher is here. So everything, as you can see, is same now. It has changed a little bit. So of course you can't hack PUBG Mobile, you cannot. Okay, so there is toolbox, backups, then what is this? Rebuild and install. Oh wait, what is this now? Okay, switches. So this is also a thing now. So this is everything. What's new you can see there. Question mark, you can go to the things. You can see what's green, then yellow, cyan, and all of that. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please press that like button, and if you liked it very much, share it to your friends, because it will help them to download this app, Lucky Patcher. And please comment down below on what other apps or APK or anything that you want to install on your device. Please tell me that, so I will make another video on it for you guys. Thank you for your support, and yeah, that's it. So bye guys. Lucky Patcher installed, mission is completed.